always आंधी तूफान आती है. Like in Delhi, we had a terrible weather yesterday. Yes, there was a lot of dust and everything, right? So imagine that kind of situation. Now there are trees standing tall, and when this kind of situation comes in, okay, some trees who look tall, like you may see it as quite tall trees, but they fall or they break. Yes or no? But there are trees who stay intact, who stay strong. So this is how we are supposed to be. हमारी हम अपनी लाइफ की सिचुएशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, राइट? हमारी situations, are we able to control the pandemic? No, to some extent we can't, but we are taking care of ourselves. Yes or no? We can't control what is happening all around the globe. We can't control what is happening in India or in our own city, but we can control what we are doing. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same manner, we have to be emotionally strong कि situations चाहे जो भी हो, चलो देखते हैं. The attitude should be चलो देखते हैं हम इसको कैसे डील कर सकते हैं. Let us figure out.
To begin with, I'd like to say in our Google form, we had given you a question arising from the situation that if two entrepreneurs invested in an startup for 5 years and which eventually failed, which of these two entrepreneurs would be considered emotionally stronger? Entrepreneur A, who cries and bursts into tears, or entrepreneur B, who hides all his emotion from the outside world and keeps it within himself? So strangely, in the results, we found that 44.4% of you said option A is the person who is emotionally strong or weak, and option B is the person who is emotionally weaker. That's not the case. That is, none of them is the answer, because your immediate reaction does not define your emotional strength. So now, to shed some light on the topic of emotional strength and to elaborate this concept, we have Ms. Prerna Dua. Now I can actually introduce her. Ms. Prerna Dua is an NLP practitioner. She is a life coach, and she is a psychologist as well, with more than 500 overseas clients. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So emotional strength. Let me introduce this topic to you. Like we have immunity, we all know what immunity plays an important role, especially in this pandemic, right? So if we have strong immunity, we are able to fight the diseases. We are able to fight, there are germs all around us, but we have that fight back. We are resilient to that. But when it comes to your physical strength, as much as you train yourself, as much as you do weight training, running, your physical mobility is good. That makes you more physically strong. And when it comes to education, to make you more, to increase your IQ or to work on your skills and capabilities, you work in that direction. But when it comes to emotions, we sometimes fail that there, right? What are the reasons? Because we don't know how to work on that. We really don't know how to work on that. So we will be talking about a few situations wherein we can work. Okay. And so we all know it is lockdown. I mean, weekend lockdown, it's there in Mumbai as well as in Delhi and many parts of India, right? We are all facing this pandemic. We all have gone through lockdown one, which was in 2020, which started last year. And this COVID was really new to us. Many of us shifted to work from home. We basically tried to adjust in new lifestyles that we were encountered. And apart from that, there were people who suffered a lot, who traveled miles. So what was that? They could just sit at homes, or they could have felt fearful or anything else, but they took that courage to drive many miles to reach their homes. So this is my question: what do you think? The ones who stayed where they are were more emotionally strong, or the ones who had the courage to go to their homes to drive many miles, or they were more emotionally intelligent or emotionally strong? Yeah, please.
For me both are equally emotionally strong because
Okay.
अगर मैं केस एक ही बात करूं, लाइक जिसको अपने घर जाना था तो उसके इमोशन क्या थे कि उसको था इमोशन कि मुझे अपनी फैमिली से मिलना है, अ फीलिंग ऑफ होम सिकनेस, लोनलीनेस, मैं नहीं रह सकता। सो दैट नेगेटिव फीलिंग उसको पॉजिटिव ड्राइव किया कि हाँ मैं अकेला पड़ जाऊंगा, वहाँ मैं आगे चलूंगा। तो दूसरी तरफ जो घर पे रहना चाहते थे दे नो दैट ओके, दे विद इमोशन के साथ रेजिलियंस आई, ओके यार वी हैव समथिंग, वी हैव द रिसोर्सेज, वी हैव द एवरीथिंग, लेट्स स्टे हियर। बिकॉज तब उनको लगा कि हमें अपनी सेफ्टी के साथ साथ बाकी की सेफ्टी भी रखनी है। सो बहुत मी दोनों ने अपने इमोशन को चैनलाइज कर दिया इन अ राइट डायरेक्शन।
Okay. Very good. Now, if we see this situation from a practical aspect, when it comes to resources, people had no work, people had no money. What they had was they were not able to pay the rent, right? So they had to travel to their homes to take care of their families. Yes, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Right.
So they had to
Right,
take
ma'am.
care of their families. So there are practical aspects also, but when practical aspects are not in our favor, like I have seen many students like from MBA who are pursuing MBA. You know how rigorous that course is. It requires a lot of skill development, and when it comes to understanding it, making a rapport with the with the teacher, having workshops in their college, so the learning is very limited. I believe same is the case in colleges, be it Delhi University College, or be it colleges of other universities. Now the issue is that the learning is restricted, right? We may feel that we are not learning. The course that we are pursuing, the course that we have selected, is it worth? Will it add value to our life? How will for example, people who are in their third year, ki hame will we get the placements or not? Because I think Delhi University has their exams in the month of May, right? Am I right? It's in month of May.
Right,
So
ma'am. Right.
exams bhi
Yes,
honge
ma'am.
abhi,
Right. Yes, ma'am.
right? Yeah. So there will be exams. There will be kitne bachon ki placements honi hogi. But we all know all the MNCs, they are actually, employees are losing their jobs because of this pandemic. Is this an area of concern? No.
Definitely, ma'am.
Definitely, it is an area of concern. And for people who graduated last year, the same was the concern with them. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yeah. So this is when it comes to college. I mean, plus we are at homes. Okay. We all know that our generation is not very I would say is not very comfortable being at home for so long. We all want to go out. We have our own kind of lifestyle. And I mean, these things are not under our control. Yes.
Right, ma'am.
Okay. So when we talk about emotional strength, when we talk about resilience, there is this picture that comes in my mind. Now, what is it? So, बहुत तेज आंधी तूफान आती है. Like in Delhi, we had a terrible weather yesterday. Yes, there was a lot of dust and everything, right? So imagine that kind of situation. Now there are trees standing tall, and when this kind of situation comes in, okay, some trees who look tall, like you may see it as quite tall trees, but they fall or they break. Yes or no? But there are trees who stay intact, who stay strong. So this is how we are supposed to be. हम अपनी लाइफ की सिचुएशंस को कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते, right? हमारी situations, are we able to control the pandemic? No, to some extent we can't, but we are taking care of ourselves. Yes or no? We can't control what is happening all around the globe. We can't control what is happening in India or in our own city, but we can control what we are doing. Yes or no?
Yes.
In the same manner, we have to be emotionally strong कि situations चाहे जो भी हो, चलो देखते हैं. The attitude should be चलो देखते हैं हम इसको कैसे deal कर सकते हैं. Let us figure out. I think someone was asking the question. You may unmute yourself and ask the question.
Saurabh Kumar, you can unmute yourself and ask the question. You can also write in the chat box.
How to recover from breakup. Okay. Now this is also a very important area, right? When you develop an emotional connection with somebody, okay, so when you love somebody, okay, you basically you know, give all your emotions to that person. Now when we talk about how to control your emotions or how to break that bond, right? This is the question, right? How to be emotionally strong, how to deal with it. So when there is a breakup, okay, सबसे पहला reaction क्या होता है हमारा? ये क्या हो गया? We thought this, we thought that. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes,
Right, ma'am,
people
right.
in the house who have had breakups, I want you to answer, please.
Right, right.
Okay. So this is our concern, yeah. अब इसको कैसे डील किया जाए? See, I'll tell you, when it comes to emotions, there is this neurological alignment. Okay. One is the basic level is environment. The next level is our behavior. Let me talk about these two things. अगर हमें, so if you want to learn music or if you want to learn cricket, you need a proper environment. Yes or no? आप वहां पर जाओगे नहीं, आप सीखोगे नहीं तो कैसे चलेगा? When we talk about schools, ठीक है, आजकल बच्चों की पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही है. Why? Because they are not in that environment. Yes or no? अब क्या environment सिर्फ physical environment होता है या virtual environment भी होता है? Our virtual environment is also important. Like for example, at your own home, there are 4 people. Okay, your parents, your siblings. Now everybody has their own likes and dislikes. They may be using Facebook, they may be using Instagram, but their environment is completely different. Now when breakup happens, तो क्या होता है? हमारा environment disrupt हो जाता है. Yes or no? Emotionally, psychologically. So basically, we as humans, we seek home, right? We seek home. Wherein we are safe, wherein we are comfortable, wherein we are wanted, wherein we are loved. Yes or no? We seek that home. Love of our parents, okay, love of our siblings. What happens is that kind of emotional connection, we know that is not based on temporary things. Yes or no? Things may come, you may sometimes fight, mama or your mother scolds, your father scolds, or any fight between siblings, right? We are able to deal with that. But when it comes to relationships, okay, there are different sort of emotions involved. There are romantic feelings involved. There are different sort of expectations involved. And when those expectations are not fulfilled, right, anybody can move out of the relationship. Yes or no? See, our idea should be that we are loved. Now, therein comes the concept of self-love. Okay. We seek other people to love ourselves. Okay. Yes or no? Right. So, solution to this problem, I mean, you know, overcoming breakup is that you start loving yourself. You know, just feel loved. Okay. Now, how to do that? Sometimes a relationship can make you feel very critical about yourself. It can make you feel not so good about yourself. Yes or no? Right. We can join gym. We can develop hobbies. Like, for example, in this pandemic, I developed this hobby of painting. So I was not sure. I mean, I was not an artist for so long, but it happened. So you can develop new hobbies. So basically, if I talk about psychology, now there are different defense mechanisms. Okay. Freud, if you know, Freud is one of the, the researchers, the basic psychologist of psychology as a stream. So he said that there are few defense mechanisms. Now, first thing is we don't accept. We are like, I mean, this cannot happen, right? इस तरह का भी हमारा एक reaction आता है. Yes or no? Rejection. We call it rejection. I hope I'm audible and my video is intact.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am,
You're
it is.
Yes,
audible,
ma'am.
but
Yeah. So first is rejection. Mostly हमारा defense, चाहे कोई भी situation हो life की, one of the reactions is rejection. Other is, it can be sublimation, wherein we talk about developing new hobbies, new skills, or maybe it can be channelizing our energy into something else. Yes or no? If we feel that we are not good in this particular aspect, we start focusing on our career more. Yes or no? So these are the few things that we can deal with such sort of breakups or any other issue. Anything else? Any other question? Or shall I move
hello, ma'am.
forward?
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
We often get angry on our loved ones because we're emotionally connected or emotionally weaker in front of them. How to overcome this habit and how to stop this anger from hurting ourselves?
Okay. When it comes to anger, anger is one of a very strong emotion. Like people who actually feel angry to their loved ones. I mean, I would say they are good. So I would say they are not emotionally intelligent. Okay. Because to deal with the problem, there has to be a way of communicating. So basically, by anger, what are you doing? You're communicating your feelings to somebody else. Normal, आप जब बात करते हो, you express through words, or maybe when you love a person, you express it through your actions. But when it comes to anger, right, you express it when you are very angry. So आप किससे गुस्सा होते हो? Who you get angry with? People who are close to you. Yes or no? Or maybe there are some temporary angers. For example, you're driving, okay? So for example, if you are driving, okay, sometimes somebody comes directly in front of you. You know what kind of driving situation we have in our country. So you may get angry. That is a very sudden anger. But when we talk about our loved ones and our family members, okay, there are some expectations. There are some, I would say, we are very, very emotionally connected to them. This is one of the reasons why we get angry. Now, there is this technique in NLP, which is as if technique. Okay. As if technique. What it says is, okay, so there are, so basically we have two state of minds. I'll explain you these two state of minds. One is the resourceful state of mind and one is the unresourceful state of mind. Can anybody explain what are these two states? Any idea? Anyone?
Can I?
Yes, you can.
Uh,
In brief, please explain it in brief.
resourceful state is more of a happiness state. If I say in a simple terms, मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ, mindful, calm. Unresourceful state हो गया anxious, fear, anger, everything, procrastinating, overthinking. ये हमारे unresourceful state हो गए.
Very good. So are very good. So I will give you an example. Okay. Basically, what he said is, our resourceful state is when we are happy, when we are focused, when we are joyful, when we are productive, when we are efficient. Yes, you can associate your resourceful state. But when we are in unresourceful state, okay, what is that? Unresourceful state when you are depressed, when you are lazy, when you are demotivated, when you are sad, when you are angry. Yes or no? I'll give you a small example. Now, there was this student who was studying at home and he was preparing for a science exam. Now, he was an average student. He was getting all the treatment from his mother. कि ठीक है बच्चे पढ़ो एक्सेट्रा पूरा कंफर्टेबल एनवायरनमेंट मिला हुआ है मम्मा दूध लेकर आ सब कुछ एकदम परफेक्टली चल रहा है नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज दैट वो अपने मदर को सब कुछ सुना भी देता है जो भी उसने लर्न किया है वो सब कुछ मम्मी को सुना देता है नाउ व्हेन ही गोज टू हिज स्कूल द अदर डे व्हेन ही हैज हिज एग्जाम ही मीट्स हिज फ्रेंड्स ठीक है अब फ्रेंड्स से जब मिलता है तो फ्रेंड्स बोलते हैं अरे तूने ये वाला पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक प्रिपेयर किया है एंड वो कहता है हाँ मैंने बिल्कुल कर लिया है और फ्रेंड्स कहते हैं अरे ये तो बड़ा डिफिकल्ट था ये तूने कैसे कर लिया कहते हैं यार मैंने तो कर लिया बट ही गेट्स कॉन्शियस कि यार शायद मैंने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा, एंड मे बी अदर थिंग्स. At the same time, his teacher comes in, जिसका एग्जाम, she says कि मैंने एग्जाम ना बहुत डिफिकल्ट बनाया है, तुम ना पास होके दिखाना. राइट, वो कहती है तुम पास होके दिखाना. अब वहीं पर वही सेम टीचर अपने फेवरेट स्टूडेंट्स के पास जाके कहती है कि एग्जाम इज वेरी वेरी इजी, आप बहुत अच्छे से उसको क्रैक कर दोगे. अब एग्जाम शुरू होता है, वो घर पे सब कुछ पढ़ के आया होता है, बट जब वो एग्जाम देने के लिए जाता है तो वो सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस का जो जो वो पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन होता है वो उसका आंसर गलत करता है. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड डिफरेंस क्या है. इट इज योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिसोर्सफुल एंड अनरिसोर्सफुल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. यस. नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू एंगर, ठीक है, एंड आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एज इफ टेक्निक. एज इफ टेक्निक आपको क्या करती है, अनरिसोर्सफुल स्टेट से रिसोर्सफुल स्टेट में लेकर जाती है. व्हेन योर स्टेट इज पॉजिटिव, you will be able to handle your emotions well. ठीक है. So emotional strength is more of being emotionally intelligent. For example, so these two topics are very very interlinked. For example, अगर आपको if you want to do weight training, or if you have to work, if you want to focus on your diet, your nutrition, आपको knowledge होना जरूरी है, yes or no? कि किसमें कार्ब्स हैं, किसमें फैट है, किसमें which is more healthy, which has more proteins. You need to have that kind of knowledge, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
या
ma'am.
वेट करनी है तो कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस मेरी बैक के लिए, कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस मेरी आर्म्स के लिए, कौन सी एक्सरसाइजेस मेरी लेग्स के लिए, yes or no? Or you may need a guide there, yes, when you start your gym. Now what happens is that when you are, what this as if technique does, okay, I'll give you an example. When you are sitting with your friends or family, ठीक है, आप बहुत ही आराम से बैठे हो, you are sitting like एकदम relax होके आप बैठे हो, बात कर रहे हो, you know, maybe you are having a beer, you are enjoying, ठीक है, suddenly you get a call कि you know there is, I could, like one of your neighbors, that I could see fire and smoke from your house, right? एकदम से आपका रिएक्शन क्या होगा? Your breathing pattern will change, yes or no? Your facial expressions will change, your posture will change, the way you were inactive, suddenly you will become active, yes or no? Right? So what is this? This is our physiology, right? कई बार जब आपको गुस्सा आएगा, आपकी आवाज की पिच बदल जाएगी, right? हो सकता है आपको रोना आए, आपकी आवाज ज्यादा स्क्वीकी होने लग जाती है, yes or no? Without your control, you know, you start crying, yes or no? ये क्या है? अब जब हम एंग्री, अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको किसी ने कुछ सडनली बोल दिया, अरे क्या खड़ी है, यहाँ से हट जाओ, ठीक है, एनीथिंग, लाइक यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन अ क्यू, somebody says anything, you're like, how is this person talking with so much disrespect to me, you know, yes or no? कुछ भी किसी भी तरह का है. So हमने उस चीज को परसीव कैसे किया, this also plays an important role. So don't worry, I will link all these dots in a while, ठीक है, I'm just making you understand कि एज इफ क्या है, हमारे इमोशनल स्टेट्स क्या होते हैं, प्लस हमारी फिजियोलॉजी क्या होती है, एंड हाउ वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर इज अ गैप, यू नो, व्हेन यू गेट एन इंफॉर्मेशन, ओके, एंड द वे यू रिएक्ट, उसके बीच में हमारे पास सोचने का समय होता है, बट हम उसको निग्लेक्ट कर देते हैं, राइट? एंड वी नीड टू, सो देयर इज दिस क्वेश्चन, ध्यान से सुनना, जो चीजें हमारे आसपास हो रही हैं और जिस तरीके से हम उसको परसीव कर रहे हैं, इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस और आर दीज टू सिचुएशंस सेम? शैल आई रिपीट? जो चीजें हमारे आसपास हो रही हैं, the situations, the events, things happening all around you, around your in your house, in your school friend circle, in your college, in your city, in your country, in all over the globe, चीजें हो रही हैं. Now there is this thing कि आप उसको कैसे perceive कर, ठीक है? Now is there any difference, और जैसे हो रही है आप वैसे ही उसको perceive करते हो? It can be either.
डिफरेंस
हम डिफरेंस होगा.
Yes, there is a difference. Who all agree with it? You can raise your hands in the chat box. Right? So you people agree, right? कि उसमें difference होता है, right? अब ये जो डिफरेंस है ये किसके बेसिस पे, हमारे परसेप्शंस के बेसिस पे है, यस और नो?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
परसेप्शंस। अगर मुझे लग रहा है कि इस तरीके से बात करना बदतमीजी है कि किसी ने मुझे ऐसे क्यों बोल दिया, आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन अ क्यू, ठीक है, कि एनीथिंग, किसने मुझे ऐसे क्यों बोल दिया, दिस इज, you have that upbringing, you have seen things around you in a way कि आपको ये बदतमीजी लग रही है। और किसी के लिए गुस्से में मार देना भी उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि उसका रोज का लड़ाई करना उसकी एक हैबिट है, यस और नो?
यस
Yes.
होता है ऐसा। हमने डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के केसेस देखे हैं, उसमें क्या है कि एक का एंगर फ्रस्ट्रेशन दूसरे पे निकल रहा है, यस और नो? ये भी हम एक एंगर का इफेक्ट देख सकते हैं, यस और नो? अब वो क्या है, आपकी इमोशनल स्टेट है, आपको डील ही नहीं करना आता अपने इमोशन से, हाउ विल यू बिकम मोर एंड मोर इमोशनली स्ट्रांग, यस और नो? सो अब ये जो आपने एंगर का क्वेश्चन पूछा कि अपने एंगर को कैसे कंट्रोल करना, इमोशंस को, व्हाट आई सजेस्ट इज एज अ कोच, इमोशंस को आपको कभी कंट्रोल नहीं करना चाहिए, इमोशंस को बाहर निकाल देना चाहिए। हु ऑल अग्री विद मी?
I agree,
Yes.
ma'am. I agree.
इमोशंस को बाहर निकाल देना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर वो आपके अंदर रहेंगे, वो कब बहुत ज्यादा इंटेंसिटी के साथ बाहर निकलेंगे, यू विल ऑल्सो नॉट रियलाइज। इफ यू नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, जब हमें गुस्सा आता है, आपको क्या लगता है कि हमें फर्स्ट इंसिडेंट पे गुस्सा आता है? कभी नहीं आता। जब वो चीजें हमारे अंदर बॉटल अप होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं, तब वन डे कम्स दैट व्हेन वी ब्रेक आउट, यस और नो?
Agreed.
Right, ma'am.
अग्री, ऐसा होता है। हम चीजें बहुत टाइम से देख रहे हैं, बट देन वन डे विल कम एंड यू विल बी लाइक अब बस, एंड यू विल बी लाइक, यू विल आपका सब कुछ अंदर का बाहर निकलेगा, बहुत ज्यादा भर के बाहर निकलेगा, इंटेंसिफाई होके बाहर निकलेगा, यस और नो?
यस
सो द आइडिया इज कि आप एंगर, देखो हम क्या समझते हैं, एंगर को कंट्रोल करो, हम इमोशनली स्ट्रेंथ बन गए, ब्रेकअप हुआ है, रोने को कंट्रोल कर लो, हम इमोशनली स्ट्रांग बन गए। दिस इज नॉट इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, और दिस इज नॉट बीइंग इमोशनली स्ट्रांग, राइट? दिस इज नॉट मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ। द पॉइंट इज कि आपको अपने आप को, चीजों को परसीव करना अच्छे से आना चाहिए, ठीक तरह परसीव करना आना चाहिए, और टाइम टू टाइम अपना, व्हाट वी लैक इज, वी लैक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। हमें अपनी फीलिंग्स को, हम सोचते हैं कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का मतलब है कि हम वी आर गुड इन इंग्लिश, दैट इज गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स। नो, हैविंग गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स इज एक्सप्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ। हु ऑल अग्री विद मी?
Yes.
Definitely, ma'am. I agree.
राइट? सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हमारा जो एक इमोशनल एक्सप्रेशन है, हमें वो we don't know how to form it in right words कि हम दूसरे को अपनी बात अच्छे से समझा पाए। सो हमें यहाँ काम करने की जरूरत है। एंगर ऑटोमेटिकली आपका कंट्रोल होगा, यस और नो? अब इसमें
Yes.
अगर आप एनालाइज करो, देयर आर टू थिंग्स, ठीक है, वेयर वी कैन वर्क। पहली चीज कि जब कोई ऐसा इनकाउंटर होता है, हम उस चीज को एक अलग तरीके से परसीव करें, ठीक है, और उसके लिए आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एज इफ टेक्निक, जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया, फिजियोलॉजी आपको एक्सप्लेन की। नाउ आई गिव यू अ स्मॉल टास्क, ठीक है, देयर माइट बी मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स विच आर बॉदरिंग यू, ठीक है, जो आपको बैक ऑफ द माइंड, जो कुछ ना कुछ टेंशन, थॉट, जो जैसे प्लेसमेंट्स की बात हुई, या देयर कैन बी एनी अदर थिंग, यस और नो? डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स आपकी हो रही हो, थिंक अबाउट दैट प्रॉब्लम, सोच लो कि वो कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है। नाउ स्टॉप, ओके, नाउ स्टॉप, नाउ स्माइल, ठीक है। आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी, आई मीन चाहे आपका कैमरा ऑन है या नहीं है, या wherever you are sitting or you are doing some work, you are just listening, take 3 or 4 deep breaths, okay, and have a very nice smile on your face. Have a very nice smile on your face. अब जो मैं बोलना रही हूँ उसको ध्यान से सुनना, कीप दिस स्माइल इंटैक्ट, जो स्माइल करते रहना है। नाउ ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट दैट नेगेटिव थॉट स्माइल रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, यू हैव टू कीप स्माइलिंग एंड ट्राई टू थिंक अबाउट दैट थॉट, स्माइल करते रहना। कैन यू सी अ डिफरेंस?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
कैन यू सी अ डिफरेंस?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
कैन यू सी अ डिफरेंस? अब लग रहा है ना कि यार हो जाएगा, हैंडल हो जाएगा, ये तो आसान है, इसमें क्या है? अब यही हमारा रोल होता है स्टेट ऑफ माइंड का। आपको सब ओके, सो ट्विंकल स्माइल इज टर्निंग इनटू लाफ्टर, ग्रेट। सो चाहे अब सी प्रॉब्लम्स तो हैं, अब हम क्या करते हैं? सो ये सोशल मीडिया क्या कर रहा है, क्यों हम ज्यादा डिप्रेस रहने लग गए, या क्यों हम लोनली फील करते हैं? क्यों? क्योंकि वी हैव दिस फोन इन आवर हैंड और हम फोन को देख रहे हैं, हम स्माइल नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग टू पीपल बिकॉज वी आर बीइंग मोर एंड मोर पैसिव। यू अंडरस्टैंड? बहुत ज्यादा पॉजिटिव वाइब्स आ रही, आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल, राइट? सो क्या होता है कि ओके, you understand the emotion, the importance of human interaction. जब आप किसी से बात करते हो, जब when you talk to somebody, you're looking into somebody's eyes, the person is smiling, you are you know, that person has his own aura, that person is not in the screen, yes or no? तो उसकी एक different vibe होती है, so उसकी एक different vibe होती है, so but then that is what it is, we are dealing active, we are dealing with people actively around us, ठीक है? अच्छा, tell me the difference जब आप कॉलेज जाते थे, ठीक है, when everything were normal, you were going to college, ठीक है? उस टाइम पर you used to meet your friends, your or maybe your colleagues or your teachers, yes or no? You used to hang out. अभी आप घर पे हो, इमोशंस में फर्क है, पहले इतने हैप्पी इमोशंस थे, अब इतने हैप्पी इमोशंस है। इज इट ट्रू? इज इट द केस?
Yes, ma'am.
राइट, दिस इज द केस, क्योंकि हमारा इंटरेक्शन कम हो रहा है। वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड नाउ व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन टू इट। द सॉल्यूशन इज कि हमारे घर के जो लोग हैं, ठीक है, हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं, हमारे सिबलिंग्स हैं, हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, हम उनके साथ ज्यादा से ज्यादा बैठ के बातचीत करें। क्या हम कर रहे हैं? टेल मी ऑनेस्टली। Everybody has their own rooms, they're sitting in their rooms and having their own privacy, their own space. Is it giving you any benefit? Abundance and health, ठीक है? Like I mean there are few पहले की हमारे बाकी steps भी हैं, but later on बीच में ये एक step है। I make you choose one. Health or abundance, health or abundance. You choose one. आप दोनों चूज नहीं कर सकते। दिस इज हाउ आई मेक अ प्रॉपर हियरार्की ऑफ योर वैल्यूज, ठीक है? उससे पता लगेगा कि आपके लिए आपका अबंडेंस इज योर, इट कैन बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर मनी एस्पेक्ट के बारे में अगर मैं बात कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज इन माय गेम दिस इज वन ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट वैल्यूज रिलेटेड टू मनी, ठीक है? तो पता लगेगा अगर आप हेल्थ आपने चूज कर लिया, इसका मतलब आपके दिन का टाइम जो आपका काम पे जाना चाहिए वो आपका हेल्थ पे जा रहा है, एंड द अदर वे अराउंड। So one thing, there are no two equally important values.